Did you know that you can further protect your iPhone by locking your SIM card? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable SIM card lock with a PIN and how to change this PIN on your iPhone. If you want to improve your device's security, follow these simple steps and protect your phone in the best possible way. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notified about all the new tutorials and tips that can help you get the most out of your phone. So, the first thing you need to do is open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to find the mobile service option and tap on it to open it. When you're on the mobile service settings page, you will see several options. Scroll down a bit until you find the SIM PIN option. Tap on it, and you'll be able to enable SIM card lock and change the current PIN you're using. First, tap the switch next to the SIM PIN option, and this will take you to the screen where you'll need to enter the current PIN you received with the SIM card when you purchased it. After entering the PIN, tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen to save the changes. Once you've entered the PIN, you'll be able to change it to a new one of your choice. So, tap on the Change PIN option. First, enter your current PIN, then tap Done in the upper right corner. Next, enter your new PIN and then tap Done again. Enter that new PIN one more time and tap Done again to save the changes. And that's it. Your SIM card is now locked and protected with your new PIN. If you have any more questions or want to learn more about security options on your iPhone, feel free to leave a comment below. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, MobiTechStar. See you soon.